Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Hank, and in this video I'll be comparing two of the most popular personal DIY investing platforms in New Zealand, Sharesies and Investnow. I'll be going over 4 key points between the two different platforms: interface, range of funds, fees, and who the platform is most suited for. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Here I am looking at the Sharesies Interface. Now, this is a brand new account that I started up and authenticated and funded all within one day. So it is an extremely quick process to sign up with Sharesies. And as you can see from the interface itself, it's extremely mobile friendly, intuitive, and very easy to use. I can see my portfolio value here, and I can scroll across and see my percentage returns and my growth of my portfolio over time. Now let's go to the Invest tab. So from here we can see all the funds that we have on offer. Let's just pick this one here, New Zealand Top 50 Fund. So the great thing with the Sharesies interface is that you can see the price history graph of up to the last 5 years without going through a long document. So I can check last year's price history or the price history of the last 5 years. As we scroll down, we can see that there is the dividend yield tab. So a dividend is basically an interest payment from the company to the shareholders, usually paid either quarterly or half yearly. So this fund pays its dividend in June and December, and its dividend yield is 3.76%. And dividends are how a majority shareholder of a company normally earn their passive income. Now down here we can also see the fees of the fund. So this particular feed has an annual management fee of 0.5%. Now, if we go back, we can also go to the Auto Invest tab, and for as little as $5 per order, you can create your own investment portfolio from the list of funds that they provide. Let's now take a look at the Investnow interface. So with Investnow, you may sign up as an individual, joint, trust account, or a company. And you can also add other people to manage your account. So for the interface itself, it's pretty good on PC, but it is extremely mobile unfriendly with very tiny words. If we go to the Invest tab, we can scroll through all the funds that are on offer. And they have a very wide range of funds. And in the second tab, they also offer term deposits from different banks. In the Manage Funds tab, you can sort the different funds according to the fees, their return over 1 year, or their return over 5 years. The main problem here is that they do not have price history graphs that you can see. In the Performance tab, it'll show your total return of your account since its inception, and also your return for the previous 12 months, and also for the previous month. When comparing the two platforms, in terms of interface, Sharesies has to come out on top due to its simplistic design and how you can access everything easily on the mobile. Not to mention, they have a detailed historical price chart that you can look up. Investnow, on the other hand, its interface just feels outdated and it's almost impossible to access everything easily on the mobile. So Sharesies wins this round. Let's look at the range of funds that Sharesies has on offer. So currently Sharesies has 26 different funds on offer, which includes low-risk cash funds, medium-risk Australasian and International Bonds Fund, and higher-risk Australasian International Shares Fund. Sharesies has announced that in July 2019, they have partnered with the New Zealand Stock Exchange for trading of individual company shares on the NZX at a low price of around $2. And this is really great news because compared to normal brokers, it'll be significantly cheaper since the normal brokers may charge up to $30 per transaction for buying the individual shares. Investnow, on the other hand, offer more than 100 funds, including all the funds that Sharesies currently offer. And not only that, they also offer funds from big fund managers such as Vanguard, AMP, Fisher, and others. In addition to that, they also offer term deposits from banks such as ANZ, BNZ, and SBS. When comparing the range of funds between Investnow and Sharesies, Investnow has more than 100 different types of funds, and that's not even counting the term deposits from different banks that they offer. If you are an individual stock investor, Sharesies might be the option for you. But for the majority of us, Investnow is the clear winner. So Investnow gets the tick here. When comparing the fees between Sharesies and Investnow, Sharesies offer a free account when your account has less than $50 in it. If your account has more than $3,000, you are looking at an annual fee of $30. Whereas in Investnow, there is no account fee at all. So Investnow takes out this round easily. Who Sharesies is most suitable are small investors that can only contribute a small amount each time to their account. Sharesies may become a real game changer when they allow the buying of individual company stocks on the New Zealand Stock Exchange. This means that if you are looking to become a more active trader and perhaps trade for a living, Sharesies might be an option for you. If that is something that you will be interested in, I have included a link down below that you can use to sign up to Sharesies. Yes, it is an affiliate link. No, you don't have to sign up using the link. If you do use the link to sign up, you will get a free $10 in your account when you complete your sign up. Investnow is best suited for investors that are looking to buy a fund and just hold it for the long term while minimizing the fees, which really is the majority of us. Unsurprisingly, in this comparison, Investnow came out as the winner due to its $0 platform fee. It's suitable for long-term investors that just want to buy or hold a fund, and also even short-term investors that just want to start a term deposit. Sharesies, on the other hand, has a really good interface, but the high fees makes it quite prohibitive. Do you currently have a Sharesies or Investnow account? And what is your experience with them? Leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, check out my previous video on what financial independence is. In the next video, I'll be talking about websites and apps that you can use to help you monitor your investments. So stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.